Imagine getting rich, not by luck, not by winning the lottery, and not by working 12 hours a day. Imagine quietly growing your wealth, one smart habit at a time. Today, I'll show you the money habits that quietly make you rich, step by step, so you can start building your financial freedom today. Habit number 1. The first habit of wealthy people is simple. They know exactly where their money goes. Tracking every rupee or dollar may sound tedious, but it's the foundation of wealth. When you know what you spend, you can decide what to cut and what to save. I am giving you some examples. Use apps like YNAB, Mint, or a simple Excel sheet. Record every expense: coffee, subscriptions, groceries. At the end of the month, review what you spent versus your goals. Tip: even small expenses matter. That daily coffee or online subscription can quietly drain hundreds of dollars a month if unchecked. Habit number 2. Habit no 2, spend less than you earn. It sounds obvious, but most people ignore this basic principle. Spending less than you earn is the simplest way to grow wealth. Rich people don't necessarily earn more, they spend wisely. Examples: if you earn $1,000 a month, spend $800 and save $200. Automate savings so that money moves to an investment account before you can even spend it. Tip: pay yourself first. Treat savings like a recurring bill you must pay every month. Habit number 3. Habit no 3, avoid lifestyle inflation. Most people increase their spending as their income rises. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it quietly eats away at your potential wealth. Wealthy people resist the temptation to upgrade everything the moment they earn more. Examples: got a raise? Instead of buying a new car, invest the extra income. Focus on experiences or education, not unnecessary things. Habit number 4. Habit number 4. Invest early and regularly. Here's the real secret to getting rich: compound interest. When you invest early and consistently, your money grows faster than you think. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Examples: invest $100 every month in an index fund at 8% annual return. In 20 years, that grows to over $60,000. Even small amounts matter. Starting early beats trying to invest a large sum later. Tip: automate your investments. You won't even notice the money leaving your account, but your wealth will quietly grow. Habit number 5. Habit no 5. Create multiple income streams. Relying on one income source is risky. Wealthy people diversify their earnings. Multiple income streams make your finances resilient and grow faster. Examples: side business, freelancing, rental income, dividends, or online courses. Even passive income like earning from investments adds up over time. Habit number 6 and 7. Habit number 6, avoid bad debt. Debt can be a silent wealth killer. High-interest debt like credit cards or payday loans can undo all your efforts. Wealthy people avoid bad debt and use debt only strategically, like for investments that grow in value. Tip: pay off high-interest debt. First, use low-interest loans only for appreciating assets, like real estate. Habit no 7 budget and automate. Wealthy people automate their savings, investments, and even bills. Automation ensures consistency without relying on willpower alone. Examples: automatic transfer to savings on payday. Set up recurring investments in mutual funds or ETFs. Automate bills to avoid late fees. Start applying just one of these habits today. Small actions, done consistently, compound into financial freedom. Which habit will you start first? Comment below. If you found this useful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss a wealth building tip.